Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at an 8.5 by 25 Gooseneck Deckover. At the front we have a 25,000 pound adjustable gooseneck hitch, as well as your safety chains and breakaway cable. There are two heavy-duty 12,000 pound adjustable jacks at the front of your trailer, as well as your chain basket. This trailer has pressure treated wood flooring, as well as tie down points and stake pockets along the side. This deckover is a self-cleaning dovetail with a 3-inch channel crossmember through the main frame. There's a low profile configuration. Coming to the rear of your trailer, we do have the integrated Kong ramps. These ramps are spring assist with your wedge design, giving you an extended load on your ramp. There is flexible ramp positioning. This trailer does have two 10,000 pound axles on Dexter oil bath axles. There are electric brakes on both of your axles. These are 16-inch rims and tires. Once again, this is a 8.5 by 25 Gooseneck Deckover. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.